Jinan AOL CNC Equipment Company Limited, as a high-quality manufacturer of CNC cutting equipment in China, has been the innovation and upgrading of intelligent cutting equipment to provide the automated cutting equipment for users around the world. Since its establishment, it has always adhered to the business philosophy of technology-based enterprise, quality first, customer-centric, and takes every detail of R&D and production seriously to ensure the performance and quality of each equipment, operating steadily in more than 100 countries and regions around the world. AOL Cutting Machine production base covers an area of 8,800 square meters, has 38 national patents, and has an annual sales volume of 3,000 units. AOL has served more than 26,000 customers worldwide. The main products are vibrating knife cutting machine, graphic machine. AOL has 2 professional sales teams and a professional after-sales service team. They have a high understanding of cutting equipment industry and materials, and can provide reference equipment and pre-selection schemes according to customer needs. Strive to maximize the interests of customers from the perspective of customers. In addition, we have obtained CE and ISO certificates. We also welcome OEM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.
In order to supply the static factory products and services, we will build a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards. If you have new ideas or concepts, please contact us. We are glad to working together with you and finally bring you the certified products.